nautical miles, half of the waters, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Teresita Bay, moving west at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Teresita Bay, Manatee 3 Mile North Reef, Manatee Nearshore Reef, Manatee 7 Mile South Reef, Iqaluit Key, Sunshine Skyway Bridge, St. Pete Beach, Santa Maria Island, Pascagoula Channel, St. Pete and Beach Reef, Southwest Channel, Port Manatee Reef, Manatee 1 Mile Reef, Manatee 3 Mile South Reef, Passage Key Inlet, Longboat Pass and Longboat Key. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast issued 2 p.m. Friday, August 5th, 2022 for the Cape.